His question is related with verse number 40 from Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wallazina kafaru wa kazzabu bi ayatina ulaika ashabun nari hum fiha khalidun. But they who will disbelieve and treat our signs as lies, these shall be inmates of the fire. Therein shall they abide.
في حديث تقول أن يأتي يوم عن جهنم لن يكن فيها أحد. القرآن يقول خالدون فيها.
The word Khalid is used in Arabic for a long period. It doesn't mean forever. This is why when the Holy Quran speaks of Jannat, it does not just leave at the term Khalid. Khalid is used both for Jahannam and Jannat. But an added verse always indicates that Jannat will never end. So the word Khalid doesn't mean eternal. It means for a long, long period. Right?
I'm going to read two verses from Surah Hud, which is chapter 11, verse number 107 to 109. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ شَقُوا فَفِي النَّارِ لَهُمْ فِيهَا زَفِيرٌ وَشَهِيقٌ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ فَعَالٌ لِمَا يُرِيدُ. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ عَطَاءً غَيْرَ مَجْزُوزٍ.
No, this part, Atam Ghaira Majzuz, is not about Jahannam. It's only about Jannat. So it's a blessing from Allah which will never be cut short, which will never come to an end. Other parts of the verse, both verses are exactly the same, to give an impression that perhaps Jahannam is also forever. But the Allah has added for a small part of the verse which indicates that no, don't be mistaken about it.